Air raid alert not political, military says. The government on Tuesday issued an air raid alert after the launch of a Chinese satellite, of which the trajectory passed through airspace over southern Taiwan. The Ministry of National Defense issued the warning to mobile phones, accompanied by a shrill alarm ringing across Taiwan. If any unidentified objects are found, please report that to the police and fire department, it said. Although the message said, satellite, in Chinese, the English text in the alert called the object that traveled over the nation a missile, phrasing that added to the initial anxiety. The ministry later apologized for the imprecise choice of words and said the Chinese rocket flew over the south at a high altitude. In Taipei, Minister of Foreign Affairs Joseph Wu, who was holding a news conference when the shrill alert sounded, described the launch as part of a pattern of harassment toward Taiwan, just like recent cases of Chinese balloons flying over the nation. President Tsai Ing-wen, who was at a campaign event in Kaohsiung, urged the public not to worry. It is all right. The president is here, with all of you, she later wrote on Facebook, adding that the alert was part of information transparency in a democratic society. Furthermore, the Ministry of National Defense said on Wednesday that the issuance on the previous day of a nationwide air raid alert about the launch of a Chinese satellite was not politically motivated or designed to influence voters. The ministry said it issued the alert due to the odd trajectory of the rocket, which would arc over Taiwan proper. The ministry said it would review its processes to determine whether alerts are necessary in such scenarios, adding that it is not aligned with any political party. KMT presidential candidate New Taipei City Mayor Hu Yuyi called the alert a ploy and an abuse of government power to trick people into voting for the Democratic Progressive Party, DPP. Taiwan People's Party chairman and presidential candidate Ko Wen-je said the incident should be treated as a drill and the government should learn from the results, adding that he doubted the public knew what to do in the event of an actual air raid situation. Satellite,
人造卫星
trigger,
引起、触发、激发某项不好的情况
air raid alert,
空袭警报
issue,
名词，讨论、关注的议题、问题，动词，发布、签发、颁发
issuance,
名词，官方正式文件的发布，货币、债券、证券的印制发行
launch,
动词，启动、发起、新船下水、发射火箭，名词，发布会、启用、发
trajectory,
空中移动物体的轨道、轨迹，事情发展的过程、历程
anxiety,
焦虑、心情不安、担心、迫切的希望、渴望
harassment,
骚扰行为
campaign,
政治、商业的宣传活动、军事活动
transparency,
物体的透明性、透明、体制的透明度
motivated,
积极进取的、有目标的、有动机的
scenario,
可能的情况、局面、剧情
ploy, ploy
方法、计谋、谋略、诡计。
be aligned with somebody, something. Be aligned with somebody, something, something.
与某人、某事合作、结盟、保持一致。
Incident, incident.
指不好的事故、事件。
Drill, drill.
名词，练习、军事演习、钻床。动词，练习、进行演习、重复训练、钻孔。